Hey guys, this is Joel. Hope you all are doing good. In last video, you would have seen budget-friendly hotel where I have stayed and the details about the nearby petrol pump and supermarkets as well. I took you on a virtual tour of Volgova churches. If you have missed it, click on the link available in the video description and watch it. In this video, I'll be showing you a very beautiful riverfront restaurant and staying option on my way back to Kalangat. I'll be showing you the Christmas celebrations in the very famous church in Goa and the decorations in the Fontainhas areas. I'm very excited to show you guys all my travel experiences. This video will be very informative. Do watch it without skipping and you'll like it. If you're new to our channel, do subscribe and therefore you'll be notified about all my travel experiences on time. Let's get into this video. Guys, I look so messy now. The day was so rough. I just wanted to show you all the places around, so I tried my level best to showcase all the places. So on the way back to my room, I saw this place called Misu. And I just stopped here because the place is so good with the river view. It's just in front of the river. The place looks amazing. You guys will also love it. So if you want to have a very romantic evening time, that too during sunset, you can definitely visit this place. There is this place called Misu Restaurant and Bar. It was so nice, so I just thought of checking out how it is. It has this river view. Wow, so nice. I just found this particular restaurant. I just thought of showing you guys how beautiful it is. So it is having this river view of Mandovi river. As you can see, there is a boat which is going. Wow, such a breathtaking view, seriously. A nice evening to have with the loved ones if you come to this place. Spend a nice time watching sunset by the riverside, watching the boats going. So good. If you're single, then Moon and you can make a good partner, like a good couple, right? Bro, you have stays also here, right? Stays.
Yes.
So how much do you people charge for stays here?
Right now we have, including breakfast, 5,500.
5,500.
Yes.
What is the type of rooms that is available here?
There is a superior room, deluxe room, and the king rooms.
Okay. So it's like 5,500, right?
No. It's, on the superior, it's like 7,500.
Okay. Thank you. So this is how the restaurant looks like. They have stay as well. They were saying that they have 3 types of rooms ranging from 5,500 to 7,500, which includes breakfast as well. The restaurant looks very cozy and it looks so good. That is a stay which will be facing the river. Exactly, this is riverfront, as you all can see it. This is how the place looks like after the sunset. All the lights are turned on. Inside this restaurant is air conditioned. You can prefer to sit here or you can prefer to sit outside with the river view. Very nice monument that you can see here. Very beautifully designed. The interior is also getting my attention. If you don't prefer sitting outside, you can go inside and sit. Wow guys, on the way back I'm seeing this church which is so beautifully decorated. Actually I'm taking this route. This is other route. After visiting the old Goa churches, I'm going back to Kalangut through Panjim. So this route is so beautiful guys, which is parallel to this Mandovi river, giving me a feeling that I'm traveling in hills. As you can see, right hand side is full of this river. This route is like amazing. See here guys, like the right hand side, Wow! I just feel like stopping and showing it. I've never visited this place. This is the first time I'm traveling in this particular route. It looks so good. Wow! Wish I can transport you guys, like teleport you guys to this moment, because I'm really having a wonderful evening. Definitely I'm gonna stop here. Wow, what an amazing sunset. You can see the moon. So literally this particular route is like breathtaking. Hope you guys also come and travel in this side, that too during sunset. Wow, you can sit in any of the places here, like you can have a watch over this river. Amazing. I really feel jealous of the people who are staying here. They are really having amazing days of their lives. This place is so amazing. Like they have a river in the other side and they live in this side, and it's like so beautiful, guys. You can see people are chilling. They are like having a nice evening time. I'm feeling like they are locals over here. You can see some lovebird. Guys, I must say this street is very amazingly decorated. As you can see, there is like Christmas trees, stars, lights everywhere. Like we'll take a virtual tour of the street. I'm very glad I chose this path to go to Kalangar. We haven't reached Panjim yet. This is the villages which can be seen. Wow, guys, see this. I think it's a church. The lighting is so good. And we have to cross that bridge to reach to Kalangar from Panjim. This road is leading to Panjim. We came in the other route and we reached Old Goa. Now we took a route which is like parallel to this Mandovi river, and glad that I took this route. The Atal Setu bridge is having color lights which keep on changing. The view of bridge from this Panjim is like so good. This is the other side where you can see the view. Wow, guys, so nice. You can see lots of casino ships over there. So they'll be having offices this side, and we have to pay for the entry. They'll take us in a small boat to that cruise. Guys, you're seeing the world famous church here. It's like Immaculate Conception Church here in Panjim. It's Christmas time, like people are really having a good time. You can see a huge Christmas tree here. Like you can see lots of shopping options here, like people are purchasing many things related to Christmas. This place is completely lit. You can see many light decorations and people are enjoying, having a good time here. This balloon seems so good, right? Full of colors. To see this church with the moon beside it, it's like so good. Seriously, guys, this is how it looks like, guys. So good, isn't it? You can see lots of shopping options, like because of Christmas, like people are selling lots of things in the street. The street is just before this Immaculate Conception Church, which is really very famous here in Panjim. We have entered Fontainhas area. Like you can see lots of Portuguese time buildings, and I'm about to show you guys one of the very oldest bar in Panjim. That too, it is located in Fontainhas. The name of the bar is Joseph Bar, which I'll be showing you. This is Goa's oldest and very famous Joseph Bar. This is how it looks. This is located in Fontainhas. This is the bar menu that you can see. You can pause the video and check out. Guys, this is Sunshine Bar and Restaurant. This is my favorite place. They give 120 rupees biryani, like, which is yummy. Like, I've tried it before also. So when you come to this particular Fontainhas area, which is near Joseph Bar, this place is located. So when you come here, do try this 120 rupees chicken biryani. It will be so good. Now we are going to go to a very famous cafe in Goa, which is located in Panjim, Confeitaria. It's very amazing in the night time, like with all these flowers and lightings. This place is a must visit spot if you're looking for good photographs. As you can see, there's a Christmas tree which is beautifully decorated. Now you can take amazing photographs, like it's completely picturesque place. As you can see, as of now it's closed. I thought of showing you guys, but I couldn't. So this is how the interior, this decorations and everything looks like. Guys, today is 25th and it's shut actually. The timing is like 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. So I was not aware about that. So like I just came here, I can see all these decorations, that's all. So I just wanted to show you guys how it looked. This is a hostel where you can book, like which is right in Fontainhas. You can be seeing it in this Hostel World application also. This is one kind of hostel which is exactly located in Fontainhas. Each and every house is nicely decorated for the Christmas. After visiting this famous church in Panjim during the Christmas night and also exploring the Fontainhas buildings, I started my journey towards the stay where I'm staying in Kalangat. While I was going across the bridge, I can see lots of casino cruises in the Mandovi river and also this Atal Setu bridge which was completely lighted, which gave an amazing feeling. Guys, like I've already told in the beginning of the vlog, the place looks so magical at night. You can see this water fountain. The street lights are so good. This guy is so beautiful with both the sides full of lightings and the stars and this night, you know, the street light. Wow, so nice. And you can see the church from there, completely covered with lights, and it looks so beautiful. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. If you really liked and found this video helpful, do subscribe my channel, like this video, and if you have any Goa related questions, you can comment in the comment section and I'll be replying to it. Next video will be about my travel experience from South to North Goa and about the places where I have stayed during this trip. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, signing off from Dave's Diaries. Bye.